We're going to make this delicious paper ice creams and paper popsicles for the summer. Are you guys ready? Here are our material list. I'll list them below in our description box. Today's design is going to be done by Anna. Let's draw out some ice cream shapes that we want. I'm going to have a triple scooped ice cream cone with 3 different popsicles. Once the sketch is ready, I'm going to use watercolor today. I love this melting water textures that watercolor creates. And I'm going to add some salt to the paint. Make sure to use enough water with watercolor. Let's add some glitter sequins and glitters to these delicious ice creams. Other small details, I'm going to use Prismacolor pencil. Let's add some shiny papers if you have some. When you're done with decorations, let's cut them out. We have these popsicle sticks. We're going to use glue gun to stick them behind the ice cream cutouts. We all done. Hope you guys had fun watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys next week. Bye!